List box. Okay, shall I start the list box, my dear? What is combo box? Anybody you can tell me? My audio is okay for you? Can you adjust? What is a combo box? Drop downs. Come on. Drop down meaning is what? Single selection possible. Drop down means single selection possible. Right. So list box means we can do multiple selection. List box means so all these things you can. Multiple selection. Multiple selection purpose, what we are doing. It's okay. Right. What are that? How it is working? So shall I move forward? Right. Multiple selection I'm showing. In the last session, what example we did? Do we remember? In the last selection, what we did? So up to here, whatever the videos completed, I'm sharing the videos with you. Observe. 1 minute, everybody. All the video links I'm updating here. Okay. So far, whatever the videos links are there, everybody. Is it visible to you, all of you? All the video links? 10 sessions? List box, I'm writing code. You can check it. So now I'm writing. The last session we did this. Do you remember last session, our example? Last session, you remember? This is our example. Everybody, you remember last session? Behera, it takes time, my dear. My health is not that much good. As per doctor that means of a prescription, I need to take a minimum 1.5 to 2 months. I should be very careful. Behera. Once health-wise I'm okay, I'll start, okay? Don't worry. Thank you for your great support. Select. Select. Observe everybody. Shall we move forward? So OPT group, label, all these are. Observe now up to here what we are going to be. Observe here. Multiple is equal to multiple. If you are giving, save it. Come on, you can observe. By default, 4 items visible. Observe here. By default, 4 items visible. Read this one, size attribute. The size attribute specifies the number of visible options in a drop-down list. Select size is equal to number. The number of visible options in the drop-down list, default value is 1. If the multiple attribute is present, the default value will be 4. Yes, you can check it, default 4. Now I'm giving, for example, size here. I'm giving size. Size is equal to, I said 15. Observe you only. 15. How many visible now? Now how many visible? Come on, remaining members, are you okay? I want to select multiple. Hold the control key and you can select multiple items. Which key you need to hold? Can you tell me which key you need to hold? Yes, you need to hold control key, then you need to. So combo box means how many items we can able to select? Combo box means how many items we can able to select? Combo box means how many items we can able to select? Only single item. Only single item. List box means how many items we can able to select? List box, how many items we can select? More than one item. Right, guys. Can you tell me combo box one example, anybody? Can you tell me combo box one example? Can you tell me combo box another example? No, not gender. Gender, okay, good example. Select your country. Combo box is the select your country. Select your hobbies comes under list box. Combo box, list box, everybody clear? Any question? Combo box, list box, clear? Any question? Right, very good. Shall I move forward? Right, now I'm moving forward to next level. Right, I'm giving now the simple one is right. So I need here radio button. Radio button. Observe a radio button. Radio buttons are used when out of many options. Just one option is required to be selected. They're also created using HTML. Radio button. So what is a radio button? How many we can select at a time? Radio button single selection. Come on. Radio button single selection. Shall I show example? Right, observe. Shall I? Example. Name is equal to gender. Now I'm entering into others. Male, female, others. You can check it. Now observe output. By default, anyone selected? Right. Now I want to select here. Observe here, you people. Check. Observing. Observe source code, everyone. Source code clear or not, you can tell me. Are you understanding source code, everyone? Come on, everyone. Yes, you can click on web page. Okay, now you can select directly on the web page. But at a time, how many you can able to select? Right. I'm moving forward. Only one selection possible. Source code, you can check it. Some people are asking me source code. You can go better. Okay. Now I'm moving forward. Already example I given here. Today onwards, every example source code I'm sending to you. Today onwards, every example source code I'm sending to you. Don't worry. Shall I move forward? Next one. Checkbox I'm taking. What is checkbox, my dear? What is the difference between radio button and checkbox? You can tell me. What is the difference between radio button and checkbox? You can tell me. Very good. Checkbox is the multiple selection. Radio button is the single selection. Shall I show the checkboxes? Right. Checkbox level things I'm showing. Correctly observe everybody. Select favorite course name. Input type is equal to checkbox. Input type will checkbox. Any name you can give. I'm giving CK, CK2 like that. So favorite course name. I'm giving, for example, HTML. I said HTML5. I said JavaScript. Okay. Simple favorite course now. So you can select. Yeah. You can understand all these words. Right? Understood or not? You can tell me. Checkbox means at a time how many we can able to select, my dears? Checkbox means at a time how many we can able to select. If name is equal to Jen not giving, what happened? Just you can try to practice and tell me. If name is equal to Jen not given, what happened? If you can, okay. So my administrative manager is keep on informing to you all you people one message. Are you getting administrative manager message? Administrative manager message, everybody you are getting? Getting or not, everybody? Read once, administrative manager message, everybody. Okay, clear everybody? Shall I go to programming? Notice clear everyone. Right. Clear everyone? Right. Checkbox code you can observe everybody. Checkbox is clear or not? Excellent. What is the difference between list box and checkbox? Checkbox is different, list box is different. No, my dear, completely. There is no matching between list box and checkbox. Just practically only you can observe. Try to go through once that one. Okay. Or if once practically you can check it. Checked is not compulsory. If you are not writing also, by default nothing will be selected. If I am not writing checked, by default no one will be selected. No. I hope you understood. Right. Very good. Now I'm entering into checkbox after. Shall I go to next example? Button controls. Already we observed some buttons. Which one completed already? Submit completed, reset completed. Submit completed, reset completed. Observe. Button. This creates a button that is used to trigger a client-side script when the user clicks that button. When the user clicks that button, check it you only. That this creates a button that is used to trigger a client-side script when the user clicks that button. Meaning you understood or not correctly, you can check it. Meaning you understood or not correctly, you can check it. Okay. So how many completed? Submit over, reset over. Shall I show the button? Come on. Submit, reset. Everybody clear? Please confirm in the chat box. Submit, reset, clear. Shall I show the button? Right. So now I'm giving here. Observe you only. Button. Observing. Click. Message. I'm giving just one JavaScript event on click is equal to alert. I'm giving. Hey, click me. Observe working or not. Rakesh, what is the problem? Any misunderstand? Submit and reset. Come on. Yeah, I'll put everything in the notes. No problem, my dears. Don't worry. First concept you are getting or not, you can tell me. Shall I show the source code? Observe the source code. Shall I move forward, my dears? Right. Next level I'm going to. Field set. Anybody you heard the name field set? Can you explain that complete line of source code button? Okay, I'll explain to you. Observe. Button is the class, my dear. Okay. This is event, my dear. In JavaScript time, I'll show you what is this. Okay. In JavaScript time, I'll show you what is this. Don't worry about this. Don't worry about this. In JavaScript time, I'll show you. But understand only how the button is working. I hope you got the point, man. Okay. So only button how it is working. So on the page level. Come to field set. Read the field set once. Read the field set once. Right, excellent. Shall I move forward? Field set, shall I show the example? Observe field set, everyone, my dears. I'm starting field set. Observing. Observe field set, everyone. Clear or not? You can tell me field set. Observe here. Legend. Legend inside what I'm giving. Remind members, are you following me? This is. This is. This is what? This is what? Come on, everyone. Are you okay? Shall I show the source code? Observe the source code. Clear or not? You can tell me. Shall I move forward? Very good. Nice. Now I'm giving to legend. Observe you only legend level. How many attributes available? Right. So shall I give that alignment part here? Attributes level alignment part shall I give? Just I'm going to align is equal to, observe, align is equal to center, observe, working, align is equal to center, working or not, you can tell me. Right, next one, moving forward. Yes, because by default left it is. Source code is clear. Source code is clear or not, you can tell me. Right. By default it is left. Clear everyone. So align attribute is there right now in the industry, not there. Align attribute is there or not there in the industry right now? Yes, it is deprecated. Very good. Now, next one. Shall I move forward to HTTP? Come on, everyone. Shall I move forward to HTTP? What is HTTP? HTTP means common language between client and server. Common language between client and server. What is the meaning of common language here? You can tell me. Common language between client and server. That point you people need to understand. Hypertext transfer protocol. It is designed to enable communications between clients and servers. HTTP works as a request response protocol between a client and server. A web browser may be the client, and an application on computer that hosts a website may be the server. Observe it, everybody. Observe the things, everybody. Observe here. What are the request methods available here? What are the request methods available? Two request methods available. What are the two request methods here? What are the two request methods here? You only tell me. One is get and another one is the post. Very good. What is get? What is post? Thus, there is an action attribute also available, my dear. What is the action attribute? If you enter the required details in the form, if you click the submit button, where should we travel? Where should we travel? That is called actually action. Action attribute. So I'm giving here, observe you all. Observe you only. So if I click submit button, means if I click the button, it is going to which page? HTML5.png, going or not. Observe. Understood action meaning, everybody now? Everybody understood action meaning. Come on, everybody understood action meaning. Observe the source code. Observe the source code once. Once you entered required fields, if you click the submit button, it is going to where? That is very important point. All of you, okay, everybody? Source code is okay for you? Click on that. Observe. Is it okay for you? Come on, everybody understood source code. Please tell me. Are you okay? Now get. What is get method? What is the post method? Practically we can say. So in this method, we don't have security for our data. It is carrying limited data. This is the default method of the form. It can carry raw data from client to server. Raw data means the data which is understandable to user. Syntax. Check it once. Action is equal to method is equal to. This attribute is used to specify the URL of the server page to which we want to send our form data. Clear or not? Up to there, you can check it. Right. I'm moving forward. When to use get? Observing the information sent a form with the get method is visible to everyone. I'll show you practically. Get also has a limit on the amount of information to send. The limitation is about 2048 characters. What is the limitation? Maximum 2048 characters. However, because the variables are displayed in the URL, it is possible to bookmark the page. This can be useful in some cases. Get may be used sending non-sensitive data. Do you know what is sensitive data? What is non-sensitive data? Do you know what is sensitive data? What is non-sensitive data? Come on. What is sensitive? What is non-sensitive? Do you have idea? Sensitive data, non-sensitive data. Sensitive data, non-sensitive data. Sensitive data means the data which we are unable to share to third-party people. The data which we are unable to share to third-party people. That is called sensitive data. Non-sensitive data means the data which we can share to other people is called non-sensitive data. Now you can tell me user ID is what? User ID is a sensitive data, non-sensitive data. Email ID is what? User ID is what? You can tell me. Email ID, user ID. Very good. Password comes under sensitive data. User ID comes under non-sensitive data. OTP, OTP. OTP is the sensitive data. Very good. Right. Now, get should never be used with the sending. First of all, get the meaning. Everybody clear? Shall I show an example? Get the meaning. Everybody clear? Shall I show an example? Right. So one example I'm giving on that one. You will observe. I think we write this example already many times. You people knows. Check it. This simple example already you are having idea or not. Many times I wrote already. This simple example. Check it once. Check it once, this example. Are you okay? Shall I? Clear everyone? Shall I run this program? Method is equal to get observing. Observing. Enter. Username. I'm entering password. Observe now. Click on sign in button. Click on sign in button. I'm giving action is equal to, for example, what I'm giving? Smiling. Correctly observe. Password what I'm giving. Do you know what password I entered? Do you know what password I entered? So now you want to know, you want to see my password? Enjoy my password. Enjoy my password, my dears. This is the bumper offer Get is providing. Understood Get why dangerous? Right, very good. Understood Get meaning now? Read these points now. Get request can be cached. Get request remain in the browser history. Come on. Get request can be bookmarked. Get request should never be used when dealing with sensitive data. Get request have length restrictions. Get request have length restrictions. I hope you are understanding that. Shall I? Right. Observe the source code. Are you getting the words up to here clear? Shall I move forward? So get request, storing, browser history, bookmarked, never. So now get is secured or non-secured? You only tell me now. Get is secured or non-secured? You only tell me. You can understand that. Right. Some other notes you can understand. Shall I move forward to post level? Shall I move forward to post level? Shall I show you in the real time industry where they are using? Observe now. Go to Google page, my dear. Go to Google page. Go to Control U, and you can try to find out here. Method is equal to what available? Method is equal to what available? Come on, everyone. What available? Perfect. Clear or not? You can check it now. The Google level. If you go to, for example, Yahoo or Yahoo Mail, now we'll check it in the Yahoo Mail or Gmail level, what available. What available in the Yahoo Mail, Gmail, Facebook level, what available? So, got it, everybody? At least meaning understood. At least meaning understood. Simple, same example. What I'm doing, you can check it post level. Observe, read about the post. We have security for our data. We can send a bulk of data to the server. It can carry encrypted data from client to server page. Encrypted means machine readable format. Post. Check it, you all. Read this. Read this. Understand. Clear or not? You can tell me. Shall I show practicals? Okay. Now I'm changing our script here. Come down. I'm going there. I'm set just post. Understood where I modified? Where I modified, observe. Save it. I'm not doing anything. Come to my page. Okay. I'm writing here. Already I modified here. I'm writing here. My password, original password I'm entering. My Facebook password I entered. Shall I click? Any username password visible here? Any username password visible? Visible or not visible? Why nothing is visible here? You can tell me. Why nothing is visible? You can tell me. Reason? Very good. Yes, post is sensitive data. Observe now. Read these points. Read the differences. Read slowly. Understand the things clear or not. Correctly check the differences. Use the terms properly. Any difference available, any doubt is there, you can question me. Cache means temporary memory. Cache means temporary memory. Very good. Clear up to there all the terminologies? Sir, cookies cache. No, cookies different, cache different. Up to there things are clear or not, you can check it. Post request, difference between get and post. Syed, you asked me any question? How to add password? I'll show you how to add password. So that is a different criteria, no? Password adding all the things. Right, clear. Any difference, doubt here? Please let me know it. Any difference, doubt? Any difference, doubt is there? Let me know it. Right. Now I'm entering into the things here. Next one. So generally, while you are working in the web environment level, you are getting some errors. 404 page not found, 501 internal server error. Anybody you are getting like this error messages in the web environment level? Okay. So hope you guys understood that one. So HTTP status messages, observe here. Right, I'm giving some successful message. 1XX to 199 information related messages. 2XX to 299 successful messages. 3XX to 399 redirection messages. 4XX to 499 client side messages. 5XX to 5. So see, there are number of error messages are there. Correctly we don't know, but at least range we know. No, observe you only. Observe you only. Observe you only, my dear. Okay, observe all you people. Clear now? Clear everybody the range of messages, everyone? Please ping here. Clear or not? 1XX to 199, 2XX to 299, 3XX to 399, everybody. Definitely I'll share with you. All these resources I'm putting in the Google Classroom. Today onwards, I'm giving slowly tasks also. Okay, up to 10 days, I'll speak like this only. After that one, I'll increase my tone. Okay. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.